So you want to be an astronaut? Well, I hope you have some good health insurance. Hi there, spacewalking hopefuls. I'm Ian for D News. Now, I got news for you. Space is a horrible, horrible place. As soon as humans exit the lovely, snug atmosphere of Earth, the cosmos is out to kill us. I'm not kidding. There's radiation from the sun, cosmic rays from distant supernovas, and even chunks of space debris traveling faster than the speeding bullet. These killers are a very real threat to astronauts in space, but they're only the tip of the iceberg. After spending a record-breaking 1 year in space, NASA astronaut Scott Kelly reported some rather uncomfortable issues with prolonged exposure to the microgravity environment on board the International Space Station. Interestingly, when he landed on Earth in March, Kelly was 1.5 inches taller than he was when he launched into orbit. The lack of Earth's gravity caused his spine to expand, which got squished again during landing. And this underscores an astronaut's biggest problem in space, gravity, or the lack of it. Kelly complained of muscle pain, his eyesight was temporarily altered, and his skin became ultra-sensitive after he landed. Immediately after reaching Earth, his blood pressure dropped. His heart wasn't used to pumping in a gravitational environment, so dizziness and temporary loss of balance were obvious concerns. There's always a period of adjustment to Earth gravity after being in space, but Kelly's mission was longer than most, and some of his health issues persisted. Kelly's 1 year stint on the space station wasn't designed to torture the veteran astronaut, however. It was an experiment to see how the human body changes in space, and Kelly was a special case. He has a twin brother, Mark, who was on Earth to act as a terrestrial control. During his orbital stay, Kelly participated in a range of tests and had to engage in vigorous exercise for 2 hours a day that all astronauts and cosmonauts have to endure to stave off the effects of muscle atrophy. Bone wastage that is common in osteoporosis patients on Earth is also an issue for astronauts. To combat it, many take the drug biphosphonate to counter the effects of bone loss. They also take supplements like calcium and vitamin D, but the most effective counter to bone and muscle loss is lots and lots of exercise. The future of space exploration will likely spawn a whole new sector in the pharmaceutical market. If astronauts have problems sleeping, which is a common complaint while strapped to your bed speeding above the Earth at over 17,000 miles an hour, they can drop a sleeping pill. Feeling tired? Drop a modafinil, which according to a 2009 Canadian Medical Association journal report is available to the crew to optimize performance while fatigued. Say if a crewmate starts acting erratic and becomes a danger to the rest of the crew, well, that's why there's tranquilizers on board and duct tape. I'm not kidding. So medically speaking, we're still trying to figure this space thing out. Our bodies are used to a gravitational environment with a 24-hour circadian cycle, not a microgravity environment with a 90-minute orbital cycle. So there's bound to be some problems. But these problems have surfaced while we live only a couple of hundred miles above Earth. How the heck are we going to deal with the health issues facing us when we finally send astronauts to Mars? During that long trip to Mars, our intrepid explorers will be bathed in radiation from high-energy particles from the sun and deep space in the form of cosmic rays. When going to Mars, we'll need spaceships equipped with some novel radiation shielding. But even then, they'll likely encounter a variety of unaccounted for space radiation-related cancers. So would I still want to be an astronaut? Actually, yes. Humanity is really good at pushing the envelope and discovering new things about our universe. But the next big step is to see humanity on Mars, and although it's going to be a challenge, I think we'll persevere, develop some really strong space drugs, and eventually become a true spacefaring civilization. To maintain muscle mass and strength, astronauts have some pretty cool machines to work out with on the International Space Station. Check out Lizette's space fitness video to find out more.
It is basically a treadmill, but astronauts must be harnessed in place. The CVIS, or cycle ergonometer with vibration isolations and stabilization system, is like a bicycle. But because without gravity you can't sit down, astronauts stand up and strap their feet to pedals.
Knowing that a mission to Mars could kill you, would you still want to go? Tell us in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe for new episodes every day of the week. And I'll see you next time on D News.